Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to convert our image from RGB to CMYK and also setting up the channel's Docker. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into Photoshop here. So now what I've done at a base, we've already looked at setting up our Docker, and so we can see the CMYK, but for you, you might not see the CMYK just yet. So what I'm going to do is we're going to quickly open a new image. I'm just going to select one that is actually not converted yet, so it's just the base image. And then we quickly crop this one. Now, like I said, the actual image, or should I say the base image, is normally RGB. So if you've downloaded anything from the internet or so forth, you're probably going to be working with an RGB image. And that was basically your red, green, and blue. And what we want to do is we want to convert this for printing, so it's CMYK. So we've got cyan for the C, magenta for the M, and yellow for the Y. And then the K is normally stands for key, but in our case, we refer to it as black, so we understand that's the dark value. So now with our image open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on top here in Photoshop to image. Let me zoom in here for you guys so you can follow along. So we're going to go image, and then we want to go to mode. And then we're going to go down till we find CMYK color. You can see we're currently on RGB. And the reason why we have to adjust this is so that when we finally go to our channels to remove the black or the K, then we will see it. Otherwise, we will not see it. So I'm going to go CMYK. It's going to ask me to convert it. I'm just going to say OK. And then now this image should be in a CMYK. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly undo that. Just so we see, we're back to RGB. Now next up, we want to quickly set up our channels. So I'm going to dock it here on my layers. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on window on the top here. And then we want to navigate down till we see channels. So I'll zoom in here so you can see that nicely. There we go, we've got channels. I'm going to click that. And as you can see here on my layers, it is docked. It might dock it somewhere else for you. And you can just simply move it by dragging this to a new place. But I'm going to leave mine there. So now while we're on RGB, we can see over here we have the base, which is all of them combined. Then we've got red, green, and blue. So now if I go now again, I go image, mode, and then let's go CMYK, say OK. And you can see now we have all the new values here. So we have the so all of them combined, then we've got cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now you can isolate them. You can just click on one and it will only show you that. So we can see this is currently our black layer. This is currently our yellow, what it's going to look like. And this is magenta and cyan. Now, it is quite convenient that we can isolate all of them. And that allows us to be able to kind of hack this whole black and then get something workable out of it. But yeah, for that, we're going to run through another video seeing how to convert it, make a copy of it, and remove the black from our channels itself. But yeah, otherwise before that though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.